Hello, beautiful people. Hope you guys are doing great. My name is Abike. If you're new to this channel or you're seeing this face for the first time, kindly subscribe, please, and put on the notification bell so you can get notification every time I post a new video. And to all you, my wonderful old subscribers, thank you guys. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the encouragement. Thank you for deciding to be part of this happy family and stay part of this happy family. I'm grateful, guys. I'm truly grateful. Yes, I've been away for a while, guys, and I appreciate the phone call, the messages, people checking up on me just to make sure I'm okay. I'm very okay, guys. As you guys might know, I'm doing my master's, and it's not easy being a mother, a wife, and studying at the same time. So I just thought, let me take some time out just to focus on my master's. I mean, I only had few months left, so I just needed to focus really hard. So I hope you guys can just forgive me for being quiet for so long. I mean, obviously, if people do message me on my WhatsApp, I'm very active on there, and yes, I have been answering questions, been doing sales. That didn't stop, but I just thought, let me just focus a bit on my work, and to God be the glory. I'm finished now. Just have one assignment to give in. And I just thought, I miss you guys. So let me just holler at my people, because I do miss you guys. I really, really do. If only you guys can know how much I miss you. I do miss you guys. So yeah, guys. Well, today I want to talk to you guys about a product called Golden Face Madam White. I'm sure it's not new to a lot of you, but I just need you guys to know the original and the fake. So guys, the brand that made the Golden Face Madam White is called Evope Cosmetics. They actually make one of the best products in the market. The product is not too harsh. It doesn't damage the skin as long as you get the original. But the problem is, it seems like there's more fake in the market than the original. It's so sad, but it's the honest truth, guys. So it's actually really important that you get this product from the right source. I'm proud to say I'm actually the UK distributor, so at least you know that you're safe. You know somewhere where you can go and buy their products. So they have Golden Face, they have Madam White, they have Secret, they have one called Whitish White. They even have a brand called Evope, and they have one, the best of the best right now. It's called No Limits. So I'm going to show you two face cream. One is original, one is fake. So this is it. As you can see, they look quite identical, but one is original, one is fake. I'm not sure if you guys can actually figure out which one is original and which one is fake. But anyway, I've seen a lot of YouTubers saying, oh, it depends on where they put the sticker. If the sticker is behind the GFC, then it's original. It's not actually about where they put the sticker. It's about you getting one that has this sign that says Evope. I'm not sure if you can see it properly. So in the hologram, it actually says Evope. So you need to make sure you get one that actually has Evope. If you get any that doesn't have the Evope, then it's not fair. It's not original. It's not original, guys. So the second one I have with me here, this one actually says Golden Face Original inside it. And it's not original, guys. It's not original. So guys, I have actually been a victim of buying fake of these products as well before. And it's so unfortunate because I didn't know any better. So I was searching around, trying to make sure that I wasn't giving my customers fake products. But I actually fell a victim of buying fake of this product before. But now I know better. And then, like I said, if you've been a victim as well, or you've used these products and you feel like it didn't work for you, at least now you know where to go. You know where to go to buy the original. So if you're looking for any of the Evope products. So the face cream of the Madam White, this has the Evope sign. And one of my customers actually bought this set from me, And I think she said she went to a beauty store, and then one of the lady that owns the beauty store actually told her, oh, she sells Madam White as well, you know. And then she bought it only for her to get home and then realize that what the lady gave her was actually fake. I'll see if I can actually insert just a clip from the video so you guys can know exactly what I'm talking about. So it's really important that when you're buying these products, you make sure you buy the one that actually has the EVOP on the hologram. So if it doesn't have the EVOP on the hologram, it's totally fake. So I spoke to the manufacturer actually. So she mentioned that when they first started doing this golden phase, this is how it actually came. With the hologram like this saying golden phase original with the sticker where it is. But unfortunately, people started making so much imitation of this hologram. So they now decided to change it and then put their brown logo on it. So I'm guessing it should be a bit harder for all these copycats to start making these products. It's quite sad really, because people are actually spending money to fix their skin and they're buying fake product. I mean, to be honest with you, some of us that are actually selling these products don't even know that they're fake. We don't know that these products are fake. I personally, I won't knowingly sell a fake product to my customer. What's my gain? I want you to come back. So if I sell you fake, why would you want to come back to me? So like I was saying, they started with that hologram saying golden phase original, but she said they haven't actually used it in a long while. So there shouldn't be any original in the market that has golden phase original. So if you do find out that you're buying one that says golden phase original, it's 100% fake, guys. It's fake. So please make sure you're buying it from the right source. The product has, the golden phase has body lotion, oil, serum, face cream, body wash, black soap, face toner, and body wash. I'm not sure if I said body wash before, but yeah. But I'm going to show you, I don't have all of it here, but I have them. I'll just show you what I have. So this is what I have here. This is it. So like I said, this is what I have here. So this is what the body lotion looks like. And they all have that hologram that says Evo. Make sure you get that. This is the oil. It has the Evo. Make sure you get it. The face cream has the Evo. I showed you that already. The serum has the Evo as well. And the body wash. So this is the body wash, guys. And that has the Evo as well. So what's missing from this set is the toner, the black soap, and the bar soap. Yes, the bar soap. I'm going to insert the picture so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to show you the Madam White as well. So the Madam White lotion has two different varieties that you can choose from. So one of them says exclusive, and it says carrot oil in front. And the other one does not say carrot oil in front. So you can actually choose from any of these two. And they both have the hologram. Like how to identify the original remains the same with the hologram. So the hologram is still having Evo. So if you're buying the carrot or the one without the carrot, make sure it still has that hologram that says Evo. It's extremely important, guys. I can't stress it enough. And then the face cream, I showed you that already, you know, with the hologram. The face cream with the hologram, you know, so it's important that you get this with the hologram and don't make the same mistake that my customer made to go and buy the fake one. For the next one is the serum, right, with the hologram, and the body wash as well with the hologram. It has a bar soap as well, but I don't have that with me. So if you're looking for a new product to try, guys, you can give this a try. The products are really nice. I mean, it won't give you any bad reaction. Well, I've used the Madam White, and I've used the golden face as well, and I didn't react to none of them. And I actually have sensitive skin. I've used them both and it's been fine with my skin. So I'm bringing it to you guys as well. You can always give it a try. Like I said as well, the company also have other brands as well. Hopefully I can insert the pictures of the other ones they have as well. So you can actually make a choice and you can choose from their products, any of their products. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. So I will do a separate video, you know, showcasing each of the products. Maybe if it's Madam White, I'll talk only about Madam White, and if it's in Golden Face, I'll talk only about Golden Face. But this video is mainly to show you guys about the original and the fake, and just for you guys to be really careful. We only have one skin, so make sure you're buying the right product from the right people. And I'm proud to say I'm actually one of the UK distributor. So if you're looking for original of this product, you know where to go to. I really appreciate you guys. And if you've watched this video to this moment and you haven't pressed that subscribe button, my sister, my brothers, what are you waiting for? Like, seriously though, what are you waiting for? For you to watch it from the beginning to this stage, that means you're glued. Please subscribe and put on the notification bell. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So like I said again, please subscribe, put on the notification bell, like my video, share it, please. I'm begging. I really do appreciate you guys. May the sweet Lord continue to bless you all. And continue to keep safe, even though we're allowed to go out. We're free, you know, but still continue to keep safe. Because this COVID is real, guys. It's real. May the sweet Lord continue to bless you. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other and enjoy the sun. Bye.